Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday the 27th, about 5 in the morning, and we just got called out. So we'll go see why this truck ran out of fuel. Sorry, the truck's real dirty. Haven't had time to wash it yet, so here we go. So we made it out here for this road call for the out of fuel, but he wasn't really out of fuel. Only the driver's side tank was full and overflowing, like the truck wasn't sucking from that side, but this tank on the passenger side was empty, so we took the fuel caps off, pressurized them, and checked each vent. Here's the passenger side, that one was working. That one on the driver's side was not working, so it's causing the truck to only draw fuel from this tank. So we got that all cleaned up, and as you can see, we got the transfer pump out, pumping fuel over, try to equalize these tanks, and then we're going to send them on his way. But nothing too hard, pretty easy. Got it figured out pretty good, so it shouldn't cost the driver too much.